Hi, welcome to Math 6 with Mrs. Lamb at Corporate Landing Middle School. This is the Bell 1 class. A little bit about me. I've been teaching for 28 years. I also have a husband and daughter who teach 6th grade math at Larkspur Middle School, so you will occasionally see those two people in the videos that we're going to be making together. My husband and I are very, very active people, so just a couple pictures of us out west. Math class in a nutshell. We start at 10 a.m. We have an advisory lesson, which is kind of like a morning meeting, attendance, and then we get settled right into math. I do whole group and videos, and then there is independent class time. But I want to let you know I will be online the entire class. That doesn't necessarily mean that you'll be online every minute. When we are at independent class time, you'll be able to go off and work, but then if you have questions, come back and I'll be right there ready to assist you. Schoology is our main platform for where you find all your lessons. When you find the math folder, you'll go in and click. The first thing you'll see is information about the course that you're taking and resources that you need all year. That's a green folder. The folder right under that will be the current folder that we're constantly working on, and it'll include the title and dates so that you know exactly um, how long the unit lasts. IXL is our practice site. This is where you show me mastery and you do earn points working your IXL, so very important. I also use Pear Deck, GimKit, Flipgrid, and quizzes. I like to mix it up so we are having fun with different sorts of games and activities. Homework has a new meaning this year for us virtually. If we're at home all the time, then homework is everything that we do. It's important that it's all completed on time, but I am going to be flexible if the need arises. I'll talk to your parents a little bit more about that. It's about paying attention, though. And one thing I cannot stress enough, math is not a spectator sport. You have to do math to learn math. While we're in class, you're going to need your Chromebook fully charged, a 3-subject spiral notebook where you'll be taking all your notes and showing evidence of your thinking, and of course, writing tools. And I'm very big about using any sort of tools that you want, so these are just a couple of the examples. You're going to need to occasionally take pictures of your work to send to me or even to hold up to the screen. That's evidence of your thinking, so make sure you're always using that spiral notebook. Grades, yeah, these are different. You guys are used to the NP and P and AP and all those other things that I don't use in elementary school. But this is a secondary math course. So you are going to be using this traditional grading scale on the right-hand side. Your parents are probably very familiar with it. But the good news is I test by total point. I mean, I grade by total points. So if you'll look right here where my cursor is going, tests are always 100 points. Checkups tend to be 20 points, but they could go up to 50 if it's really big. Independent practice like IXL and MathSpace are usually 10 points, but it could be even as low as 5 and as much as 25 points. I always announce things in advance, and I'll be talking a lot about this IXL, but I'll save that for a later date. So the responsibility is yours, and it really is. But I'm here as a commitment to you that I'm here for you whenever you need the help. We're in it to win it, and I will absolutely try to help you to the best of my ability. So what I need from you is just to take that responsibility of your own learning, to manage your time, to be focused and prepared, and just be ready to be fully engaged in our lessons. Communication is key, and I'm pumped up to talk to you and get to know you. And we're going to have an opportunity to do that first this week on Thursday, so stay tuned. My email, this is down here for parents, and office hours students are 11:30 to 12 on Mondays. But again, I'll see you every day in class. Your very first assignment actually starts now. What I want you to do is log into Schoology, review the course, think of some questions, write them all down. And then on Thursday, we're going to actually have a question and answer time. It's going to be with me. So you'll be able to see me in person and ask me questions. The link will be in Schoology. So look for that Thursday morning. I had to put this in. We got this, guys. This is a picture of me doing something I was so scared to do this summer, and there was ride a bike up a mountain. I got in a rainstorm, and look at that look on my face. But you know what? It was the best thing ever. And I hope that that's the way you feel at the end of this year.